So in video 3, I just wanted to show everybody quickly how to turn on and off email notification settings, and then just a little comment about grouping up your students in subgroups if you want to. As it's set up, when you create any of these classes, it's going to default to blowing up your email inbox every single time students post or comment or submit something. And while it's great to get notified, it can get a little bit crazy with the amount of emails you then have to delete. So I wanted to show you how to control that, and then a couple of other things. So if you click over here on this menu bar, it's going to go ahead and bring up the option where you can click and see all of your classes on one page. You can also go ahead and click on your calendar and to add items to your calendar. That's actually done in your Google Classrooms specifically. So once things are added in there, you can see it, and you can also break it down by the different classes that you have, or you can take a look at all your classes at the same time. You can create little to-do lists should you want to be so organized, and you can also click into your other classes. The archive classes is pretty cool. Hopefully we're not doing this to the extent where we're going to have archive classes, but if you take a look, you can see all the other classes that you have taught in the past, and also access your posts and certain materials as well. But it's the setting tabs we're interested in right now, which is where you can turn on and off the ability to get notifications. So you can see, comments and then submissions. You can get a lot of different notifications, and it can again get a little bit crazy to have to delete them all. Use your discretion here. You can turn them all off, you can turn them all on, and you can also go down and toggle the individual switches to go ahead and turn certain things on, certain things off. And then it is an autosave on this page, so you do not have to go ahead and click save. Going to classes, I've actually started to 10 students now in the main class, but again, this is going to get up to, I think we have like 86 in the 7th grade, something like that. So if you want to create smaller groupings of students, one of the advantages that you have in an online learning environment is that you can actually balance your classes pretty evenly. Again, we're supposed to be coming back, I believe April 16th is the date that we hope to be coming back, but if you did want to create different groupings of students as opposed to your class hours, you could go ahead and do that, and you could, instead of having 10 in one class and 20 in another, you could have 2 classes of 15. And so you can kind of create, subgroups or subclasses of your main classes should you so desire. But I know for a lot of you, you teach multiple different subjects and have multiple preps, especially at the high school level. So anyway, a brief little video there on settings, and then, you can create subgroups, subclasses, should you so desire. And again, best of luck out there.